Loyalty and referrals. The gold at the end of the rainbow for any e-commerce brand has to be a wealth of loyal customers that grows without costing the earth to acquire, especially with spending on paid ads increasing by 32% in just a year. Putting referrals at the heart of your loyalty program will help you cost-effectively acquire more customers as you're incentivizing your most valuable shoppers to act as advocates. This will help you bring more qualified customers to your store at the fraction of the cost of other digital channels. In this module, we'll focus on the importance of your customer referrals, how to use a loyalty program to motivate more referrals, and how to monitor them on social media. Why referrals are important. Customers referred to your brand by friends and family are more likely to trust you over someone who stumbled across you randomly. In fact, customers acquired through referrals spend 200% more than the average customer. They're also between 16 and 24